Hello, everybody. My name is Jamie Carolina Velasco Lopez. I'm a student of Licenciatura en Lenguas Extranjeras con énfasis en inglés. Today, I'm going to talk about the vowel sounds. Let's get rolling. Today, I'm get a close look of English vowel sounds with an interesting rule that I call the vowel phonetic chart. This chart shows us how it's the movement of our mouth inside of our mouth when we produce the sound of the vowels. It has three features. The first one is how our tongue moving to the front of our mouth next to our teeth to back next close to our uvula, like and also it's going to show us how high or low our tongue moving inside of our mouth. High, close our palate, or low, close to the floor of our mouth. Let's see some examples. The E sound have two forms to produce the sound. The first one is high. Your tongue is going to be high, close to your palate, and on the front, next to your teeth, like E sound. And the other way is on the middle. Your tongue is going to be in the middle of your mouth and central, like in the middle way between your teeth and your uvula, like E. Other example is the A sound. The A sound have three ways to say it. The first one is ah. This is your mouth, your tongue is going to be on the back of your mouth, close to your uvula, and low, close of the floor of your mouth, like ah. Other feature of this chart is it going to show how open or close the mouth is when you say the word or the vowel, the sounds. For example, the sound. It shows you how it's going to be a open vowel. Ah. The other way to say is another case is the sound. This is going to be on the middle, on the center of your tongue is going to be on the center of your mouth. It's in the middle way between the palate and the floor of the mouth, like it continue, and it's on the middle way. That means in the middle way to your teeth and the uvula. Let's see some examples. For that, we can get one more vowel, the U sound. The U sound have two ways to say it. The first one is going to be back. That means your tongue is close to your uvula and your mouth is closed and your tongue is going to raise close to the palate, like ooh, ooh. And the other sound is on the center of your mouth, in the middle way to the palate and the floor of the mouth, and it is high, like it's the same position of the other one. Let's say it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The sounds start to change. We can follow this with some real examples in the words. Let's do it. In the E sound, this sound is high and close to your teeth. E, like bean, feel, will, blush. And the other sound, creo que lo dije al revés, ya la apagué.